Imagine a dish bursting with vibrant colors, an orchestra of flavors, and an enticing aroma that transports you straight to the heart of Ethiopia. Picture a medley of fruits and vegetables, each lending its unique texture and taste, coming together in a symphony of culinary delight. Now, what if we told you that this feast for your senses is not only healthy, but also quick and easy to make? Yes, you heard it right. Intrigued? Stay tuned to unravel the secrets of this healthy and delicious Ethiopian recipe. To recreate this Ethiopian masterpiece, gather these fresh, nutritious ingredients. Start with a base of ripe avocados, packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber. Add a splash of lemon juice, a vitamin C powerhouse to boost your immune system. Don't forget the tomatoes, offering a generous dose of antioxidants. Sprinkle in some chili peppers for a kick of capsaicin, known to rev up metabolism. And lastly, a handful of fresh herbs for a burst of flavor without the extra calories. With these ingredients at hand, you're all set to embark on a culinary adventure. Now, follow along to transform these humble ingredients into an Ethiopian delicacy. First, let's start by washing all our fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness in the kitchen. While they're drying, let's get our pan heating on a medium flame. Add a splash of olive oil, and as it warms, the kitchen is filled with an inviting aroma. Next, we're adding our onions, minced garlic, and ginger to the pan. Stir them around until they soften and release their fragrant scents. This is the base of our dish, the foundation upon which we build our flavors. Now let's introduce our bell peppers and tomatoes to the mix. Stir them in, letting them get acquainted with the flavorful base. Watch as the colors merge, creating a vibrant palette in your pan. As they simmer, it's time to add our spices. A pinch of turmeric and a dash of Berber spice mix. These are the heart and soul of Ethiopian cuisine. Stir it all together and let the flavors meld. Finally, let's add our fruits. Diced mangoes and papaya bring a sweet and tangy twist to our dish. Stir them in gently, letting them warm up but not mush. Cover the pan and let it simmer for just a few minutes. And there you have it. Voila! In no time, your Ethiopian fruit and vegetable medley is ready to tantalize your taste buds. You've just whipped up a quick, easy, and utterly delicious Ethiopian dish. In a blink, you've combined nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables to create a culinary masterpiece. This dish is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It's not just about the taste, it's about nourishing yourself with every bite. This Ethiopian delight is a testament to the fact that healthy eating can indeed be a gastronomic adventure. So indulge in this Ethiopian delight, knowing it's as good for your health as it is for your palate. Are you ready for another Ethiopian culinary journey? Let's dive into another healthy and delicious Ethiopian recipe. This time, we're taking a detour from our fruit and vegetable path to explore the protein-rich world of legumes with a traditional Ethiopian lentil stew. This dish is packed with protein and fiber, making it a perfect meal for anyone looking to boost their nutrient intake. For this recipe, you'll need lentils, onions, garlic, ginger, and a blend of Ethiopian spices. The beauty of this dish lies in the harmonious blend of these simple but flavor-packed ingredients. Don't worry about the cooking process. We'll guide you through the steps of creating this hearty and nutritious dish. So brace yourself for another gastronomic adventure. There you have it. Another Ethiopian delight that's as nutritious as it is delicious. It's time to roll up our sleeves and get cooking. We're about to embark on the flavorful journey of creating our protein-packed Ethiopian lentil stew. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, thoroughly rinse your lentils under cold water. Once they're clean, let them soak for about 30 minutes. This will help them cook evenly and absorb all the beautiful spices we'll be adding in later. While the lentils are soaking, grab a large pot and saute your onions, garlic, and ginger. You'll want to cook them until they're fragrant and the onions are translucent. This is where our dish starts to develop its deep, aromatic flavors. Now, it's time to add the lentils to the pot. Pour in enough water to cover the lentils and stir in your Ethiopian spice blend. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer. This is the part where the magic really happens. The lentils will absorb the flavors from the spices and the sautéed onions, garlic, and ginger. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender. This should take about 20-30 minutes. Once the lentils are cooked, stir in some fresh herbs for an additional flavor punch. Let the stew simmer for a few more minutes to allow the herbs to infuse their flavors into the stew. And there you have it, a hearty, nutritious and absolutely delicious Ethiopian lentil stew. It's a dish that warms the body and the soul. Enjoy!